Hello everyone, this is Karen from SPON Communications. In modern factories, clear audio communication isn't just a convenience. It is essential to protect human life and company assets, and to keep employees informed across all manufacturing areas. While coordinating information, warnings, alarms, and evacuation support ensure safety and efficiency. SPON Audio System covers every corner of your site, from entry security and emergency alerts to automatic broadcast. Let's explore how it all works together. Factory entrance. First line of defense. Okay, let's start at the main gate. The first line of defense is secured by outdoor access control device. Visitors can quickly speak to security staff with a single press, ensuring faster response and safer access management.
Hello?
Hi, I'm here to visit the marketing manager, Aline.
Okay, wait a moment. Let me confirm.
Workshop entrance. Secure access control. For entry into secure rooms like workshops, we can use SIP access control systems. It features a high-definition camera and advanced facial recognition. Authorized staff can grant access immediately, while unauthorized visitors can request entry via the live video call to the control room.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you help me to open the door?
Yes, door is open.
For critical rooms, dual-person verification can set up, adding another layer of security. Outdoor areas, critical announcement, safety alerts. In high-risk outdoor area, our emergency SOS telephones are built to withstand chemicals, extreme temperatures, water, dust, and dirt. With the push-of button, they can establish an instant, clear, and reliable audio connection. At the same time, in the outdoor area, home speaker deliver loud, clear announcements, even in noisy environments. With IP66 protection and PoE support, they're easy to install and built to last. Paired with an internal directional surveillance mic, enable clear long-distance intercom in noisy factory.
Okay, please don't panic. Wait for support to arrive.
Process broadcast control. Our systems process broadcast features, keep the control room connected with every work area. Different rooms receive different messages based on their task, sent automatically by workflows or manually by operators. Staff also can post auto broadcast anytime and send real-time instructions. Helping to coordinate loading, unloading, and production more efficiently. Real-time safety announcement. So, in the high-security workshops or warehouses, our speakers can work with CCTV to deliver real-time voice alerts.
You have entered a restricted area. Please wear your safety helmet. You have entered a restricted area. Please wear your safety helmet.
This ensures messages are delivered promptly and safety is maintained. Production line emergencies. In restricted areas where smartphone aren't allowed, workers can rely on network intercom terminals or SIP phone to contact the control room instantly if a production line goes down.
Hi, there is a machine failure. Could you please come and fix it?
No delays, just clear two-way communication when it matters most. Emergency, evacuation, alarms, and evacuation support in emergency situations are essential. With our evacuation function, clear voice instructions can be triggered instantly to guide everyone to safety. And our two-way communication guarantees fast incident reaction in any situation, enabling rapid intervention and providing first aid. SPON's integrated audio solution ensures your factory stays secure, responsive, and connected. Whether it's handling emergencies, controlling access, or broadcasting workflow instructions. With flexible deployment and smart control, we make communication simpler, smarter, and safer. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't miss our audio solutions from SPON Communications. Goodbye.